Ciao, I'm Jasanna, and today I'm going to talk to you about posting your instructional objective. So that is something that I have been dinged on many an observation in my long teaching career, and I finally had the inspiration based on something that Tina Hargaden of CI Liftoff did in her curriculum club materials. So I teach all levels of Italiano. So obviously at the beginner proficiency, we use words and phrases, intermediate phrases, sentences, string of sentences, and advanced uses sentences, string of sentences, and paragraphs. And since on a given day, we are probably hitting all the skills, I put use instead of listen, read, write, speak. And to level up even further, intermediate and advanced could incorporate the past, present, and future. And these things on the bottom to level it up even more. So it's like a little menu. And then the only thing I need to switch out is this paper, which is the unit objective. So I am in cycle 1, phase 1 of CI Liftoff's curriculum club materials. So that is describing settings. So I just need to switch this out when it's time for the new unit. It is posted, it is out of the way, so I can write notes on the board if needed, and voila.